Hi, my name is Maggie Piepenbrink, and I'm a fourth grade teacher in Texas. Um, Growing up, I really didn't like science. I will be the first one to tell you, and everyone else would back me up. I hated science. And when I started teaching, I wanted to make sure that all of my subjects were interesting to my kids. And it wasn't that I was favoring boys over girls when I'm teaching math or science, and that I'm keeping everything the same for all my students, letting them all equally experience everything so that they wouldn't just want to do science because, oh, well, that's what boys do, or they wouldn't want to just do English because that's what the girls do or something. I want to make sure they all were able to get the same level playing field for everything. So I try and level the playing field by doing things that are fun and engaging for all of my students so they can kind of decide for themselves what they like and what they don't like. There are a few reasons why I think I should go to Teacher Space Camp. Number one is that I will do anything while we're there. If it's something that I can use to educate my kids about anything, whether it's math or science or reading or English or spelling, whatever it is, I'll do it because it's an experience I can later pass down to my kids, and so I'll do it no matter how silly or weird it may be. Number two, I will do these things with a smile. My kids always laugh because I'm always smiling no matter what's happening. If it's our lovely critters that we got for science class died and one splat on the desk, I'm still smiling. I might be on top of the desk, but I'm smiling. I will smile through whatever you have me do. And number three, I will make some rockin' videos for my kids and for any other teachers that would like to utilize those in their classroom or even just to look at and see what goes on at Space Camp. I make videos for my kids whenever I'm doing something I think they might not have had the opportunity to do before, whether it's jump starting a car battery and showing them how the flow of electricity through that, or whether it's showing them what microgravity is like on the Vomit Comet. I try and make videos for my kids so they can experience things with someone they know and they relate to instead of just some random person that's saying, hey, you can do this. But they really enjoy it and they love watching me make a fool of myself most of the time. But they learn things and they can kind of take that with them and they can relate it to things later. And so I think that would be a great way for me to get my kids more interested in STEM subjects and even other things that I can relate to them. And so I think I would be a great candidate.
Hey guys, it's Miss P. I'm at Houston right now. We're at Ellington Field, which is basically an airport for NASA's planes. And right behind me we have our zero-G plane. It's called the G-Force One. And right now 2 of my teammates are up there loading our experiment onto the plane. Now we're in Houston, so it's pretty hot. It's even south of where we are. It's about 4 hours south. So it's really hot. Miss P is sweating right now. They're on the plane and there's no air conditioning on the plane, so it's really hot for them. They're sweating a whole lot, but they have to make sure our experiment is strapped down, and then I'm going to go up when they turn the air conditioning on, and we're going to find out where we need our leg straps to strap ourselves in, and we're going to find out where we need to put everything else so that when we're in zero-G and floating around trying to do our experiment, we have everything within reach and we don't have to go chase after it in the plane, because that'd be kind of difficult. So in just a few minutes, I'm going to take you back up into the plane whenever I get to go up there, and I'll show you around what we're going to do.